Well, here we are out here again. Every week, I guess. Well, gosh, every other day for us. But
It's sunny.
This day is amazing for December, and so no complaints today. We're just gonna get as much done as we possibly can.
No, we're not. No, we're not. I'm not saying we're not going to work. We're not getting as much as possibly we could. If we would have, we wouldn't have brought the dogs to begin with.
And it wouldn't be 11 o'clock before we got here. All right, we're going to get some work done, but apparently it's not going to be as much as we possibly can. So here we go. And we want to welcome you to Hillbillies Do Stuff. We are the Hillbillies, and we do stuff. All right, we're going to go get some work done. I promised last time I'd show you how much this foam went ahead and expanded after, and I'm going to go with it didn't. So it stayed pretty much where it was when we left. Usually we get some additional growth out of that, but I think that maybe the temperature dropping did affect how much it grew in the long run, but I mean, it's still fine.
It never foams up a lot more.
Not a lot more, but I don't even think it did a little more. Maybe. I don't know. It's still... Mike's being noisy. It still did set just fine. It's hard. The pole is in the ground. It's amazing. No complaints. But it didn't grow anymore. Looks the same. Another pole? You want me to get the tractor out?
Yep.
Okay. Start measuring for our other pole. So we're putting, this garage door is going to be, what, 12 foot wide?
12 foot wide.
12 foot wide. So we decided 12 foot plus a 2x6 on each inside of the post, right?
That's how, at least I've seen it. I guess you wouldn't have to. The only reason I think people do is in case you had to shim something.
Yeah, I think we should probably do that. 12 foot plus 3 inches.
3 inches.
And then that'll be the inside measurement of our second post. All right, well, let's go for that. If we get a little too wide, it's okay. If we're a little too narrow, it's okay. The garage door fits inside. So it's not gonna be the end of the world either way. We can always add a little or go back a little when we put the siding on. We can determine where we need it, since we don't have the garage door yet, but I think they're fairly standard. So we're gonna get that other post measured out, drill a hole.
I think we just put it the right distance. It's gonna have a thin board no matter what.
Yeah, it's gonna have a thin board. But like you said, what if you nicked it? At least you're nicking the 2x6 instead of nicking the pole that holds up our building. I mean, I know it'll be fastened to it, but not that I plan on doing that, but you do kind of run the risk if you nick the side of your garage door.
That's what kind of people were saying. They use like a sacrificial board just in case you got any kind of damage.
I mean, we're pulling an RV in and out.
Okay, well, we'll do it.
It might not always be us doing it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So let's just add it. It's 2 extra boards that we have to buy. That's not that bad. Good thing we picked this exact spot because it's solid rock. We have done absolutely no drilling. It's just the exact spot. where God did not want us to put a garage door post. We've been smited.
I'm not getting anywhere.
I mean, you've gotten like half an inch. Our tools are powerless against it. Probably like after you get past this rack, there won't be any more then, right?
Yeah, usually.
We're just going to use them all up. They just put them all in one area to try to break us. Oh. Yeah, that sounds pretty solid. What are you guys crying about? You want to help dig? Want to help dig? Huh? What are you guys whining about? Huh? There's some cuteness in here? There's some cuteness all up in here?
Yeah. Broke it. Oh, I can make tools, don't I?
So you want me to snap the next one right off?
I'm betting you will.
Yeah, we usually have a 2 or 3 in a row streak. You gonna die? You gonna help Daddy? You gonna help him?
Say no. Say, Daddy, guess what? There's more McDonald's in the car. Woo! Tell Mama. Say, Mama, we have worked up an appetite, Mama.
You can't tell people that you get McDonald's every time we come out here.
Well, it's not every time. Mama. Sometimes it's Hardee's or Sonic, Mama.
You can't tell them you get window food.
Every time.
Every time. People will start thinking we're gonna make you fat.
So, anybody watching, that way you know it's extra sad when they don't show up because they don't get window food.
Oh, you gonna have some coffee, Peaches? You starting a whole new addiction? Yeah, let's don't. Let's don't. 3 inches shy of the goal, but we hit another giant rock, so we're calling it.
It's gonna have concrete and everything on top, so.
It's gonna be fine. 3 inches shy. I'm pretty sure we set some of those main ones 3 inches higher because we hit a rock there too, so it's no different. Still a nice hole. Just took for flipping ever, didn't it?
Alright, we bust the top parts off at the high spots.
Okay, we'll do it.
At least it's flush.
I think Mike just likes doing that.
What?
You just like it.
Oh, yeah. That's all.
Your favorite tool. Wait 1 second.
Where's...
Oh, the end of the strap is down there.
Yeah, this sucks.
Poe's gonna help. Help Daddy Poe. Yeah.
Thanks, Poe. Push me right up.
Yeah, I helped. That's a good boy. Just the end of the strap in there.
Yeah.
I thought maybe he put his toy in there.
No, that would be
That would have been a good idea, wouldn't it? All right. It's up. Second post is up and ready for foam. We're going to do that real quick. Unfortunately, I think we don't have enough of the Mick Cafe cups today. We're going to have to use the actual...
I got one.
Oh, you got one. Probably have to use the actual mixing cup today. What a shame. Cool. It's an end wall. Sort of. Almost.
What?
It's almost an end wall.
Almost.
Gotta tie those posts together, but it's probably a job for tomorrow. Let that other one set up a little bit more before we go climbing around on it.
Yeah, size it.
Yeah, I think this one's a little lower because we cut some of it off.
Yep.
So do you just want to go with the lowest height?
Well, let's see how close lowest is.
Okay, so
It needs to be close. Like, I don't want to, like, add...
have to add 4 boards underneath of it. Okay, well, we need to determine what height we need and then get the laser, cut the other one off. All right, well, put it back behind there if you can so we can see what ground level is. All right, so ground level is about 14 foot 10, right? Or is it 14 foot 9. And we're gonna have 4 inches
Let's say
of
14
floor.
foot 8. It's going to be easier.
Okay,
Because, like, it's just 14 foot 8. It's easier to measure off that.
and we'll have 4 inches of floor on top of that.
Yeah. So 14.4.
Mm-hmm.
So we got to come up with 4 inches. I mean, so we either got to cut it off, or I can just drop boards down.
Drop a board down 4 inches. I mean, that doesn't seem unreasonable.
No.
That doesn't seem unreasonable to to just add 4 inches to the bottom of the header. Just go with our lowest post.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yep. No, I think it's fine.
Just cut off one of them. Yeah, that seems easier. And I mean, we can come up with 4 inches.
Yeah.
Even a little more than that, because we'll have to ultimately determine it after the floor's
After
in.
the floor's in, so it can
So
change.
whatever. We'll just
Whatever.
figure it out then. You could cut a little off, a couple inches off, but I mean, we're
I'd rather be
talking
too
we're talking
tall.
$6 worth of wood.
Right. I'd rather be too tall than too short. So.
Right. That'll be fine.
Well, this is-
Let's just go with the shortest distance
Yeah.
and cut a couple inches off that other one. Get the laser out.
Yeah.
Move the big ladder over here and see how it goes. Put the boards on
Yeah,
top of
'cause
that.
The lower, all we do is just cut a couple short 2x4s and put spacers in it, and then screw a new 2x6.
Yeah. Okay, that'll be fine. All right, so we have to figure out how to cut the posts off evenly. And what I've got going here is I put a board, because these were measured from the original building and we just leveled them across. Put a board spanning the distance, made sure that it's perfectly level, and it is. And I'm gonna put the laser on that side, mark, shoot it across, mark this side, and then we can measure down from the top and see how much we have to cut off of this post. It seems a lot easier because of the kind of laser we have, does not like stick to the side and shoot across, it sits. So we can't really set it on top of the post because then it would be higher.
I'm not even sure we have to have a header for what we're doing here, but
Well, we got to put something across there.
yeah, I know. I don't know if I need to do stuff like a normal header. It's not carrying the load of the roof at all.
It's okay. I'm happier with overkill.
How long? How much are we cutting off?
I don't know. I don't remember how long these boards are. We can measure them. Just take the end of it.
I was gonna cut the other end though.
Oh.
So I put a screw down this end.
All right,
so
I'll take this end.
that's all the reason.
13.3.
I don't like that this tape measure doesn't lock anymore though.
I don't know what happened to it.
Marker too. I'll go ahead and do it all from right here. I already have tape measure on.
Want this?
Yeah, I can. I'm gonna switch this out with better screws now.
You want the longer ones?
Yeah, now that I've got these in.
This seems safer than using a marker.
Do
You're
it.
right. Don't go backwards. What are you doing?
That's how the professionals do it.
Oh yeah, that's how the professionals cut their stomach.
No.
I don't think I'm lifting it. It's just stretching. It's just so stretchy. See, it'll stretch all the way back down to the ground, I think. No matter what I do.
Doesn't look safe at all.
I can't do it anymore. It's stuck. The rope's just gonna break. Uh-huh. It's not, it's just cutting it. It's just cutting it.
Alright. Why not?
That's why I have that board. I'm not gonna be able to lift this above my head. I don't know.
All I need you
What
to
are you
do.
doing? You just keep taking it away.
Because I need to go up there because I'm gonna set it on top of that 6x6.
No.
And you're just gonna keep it from falling.
No.
And I'm gonna walk the other end
No.
up. No.
No.
Oh.
It's not long enough. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm not letting you club me with that thing. It's up there.
Let me club you.
It's gonna hit me. You kept trying to pull me off the ladder with it.
Well, because you get reaching for it.
What?
You get reaching for it.
It's so scary.
You think everything's scary.
Well, everything is scary. is like the opposite of if you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. If your wife's not tough, you gotta be smart. You gotta be smarter than your wife is, wimpy.
You're not wimpy. You're whiny.
Well, I'm a little of both sometimes. The two W's of being me. Oh God. What do you think is gonna happen?
What?
I'm just a little concerned about this whole scenario.
You're not even around it.
I am documenting it.
For insurance reasons? What?
No. We're not showing this to the insurance company. Oh God. It's so scary all the time.
What are you talking about? Likely as it pulls, it's trying to pull the ladder away from the thing. But
Oh. Yeah, do you need another ratchet strap for the ladder up there?
yeah, we're good.
Oh yeah. How about we get another one so it doesn't do something bad. Something bad doesn't happen. I already feel like something not great is going on right now. Well, it's super scary. I would help you lift it, but I'm scared to be under it.
You're working the camera.
What's that?
Yeah, I know you're working the camera.
Well, like I'm terrified. It's on top of the other post. That's a good sign. I don't know how you're gonna, oh, like that.
Oh, what? That kind of seemed way more scary than it is.
To you? Oh, you almost knocked your drill off. If that drill falls down, it's gonna hit you right in that noggin.
Okay. Is that one up there?
Yeah, they're both up there.
Hold this one. You can keep an eye on that and we'll slide it this way.
What am I gonna keep an eye on?
We'll slide it this way.
Okay, watch your drill though. Thank you. Okay, it's still good, still good, still good, still, stop.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Gotta go more.
Okay. Yeah, the strap is holding it.
Yeah. I don't know if I can do this. Like I can hold it.
Okay.
I might need you to loosen that strap up there.
Oh yeah, that sounds like something I'm gonna be good at.
Now.
What?
You can't fall, it's up there.
Well, it's raised up 2 inches. Okay, I'll get up there if you want.
Oh no, this one in.
All right, then we're gonna put a board on the front of it, right?
Yeah, we can. Be something better here in a little bit, but that one's in.
All right, you gonna put this one in?
Pretty nice.
Yeah, the measurements all worked out. It touches that inside beam, or that support. Like everything worked out exactly as it was supposed to. I'm surprised. Because when we're digging those holes, it feels all willy-nilly, like, but we've gotten pretty good at getting them in exactly the right spot over the course of this building. Shake it. I want to see how sturdy it is.
Why am I shaking it?
Shake that pole.
Shake it. It doesn't move at all.
That was amazing. That wall is so sturdy.
It's everything I had into it.
Oh, yep. We built a wall. It's solid enough to withstand Mike's disturbing shaking that he just did. I was on the inside. I think it makes the building feel small.
That's what makes it.
It really boxed it in.
Once we get the other end in, it's going to look way more boxed in.
I know, it's going to feel tiny. We're going to wish we built this thing way bigger.
I know, I hoped for this. I pushed for this size. I remember you were saying, what is it, 30 by 50?
Yeah.
Like, I want a bigger one.
So
you let me have a bigger one.
So we got 40 by 60, and now it feels small with the end wall on. No, it really doesn't. There's an RV in there. There's a flipping RV in there, and we still have all this junk in there that we have to do something with.
Yeah,
like
in the future, we won't have junk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're pretty good about that.
But it's like our four-wheeler that needs to be fixed, and all those totes of plumbing stuff, and there's a trailer in there. That trailer doesn't need to be in there. Why is it even in there? Who knows? Got the backhoe in there, and still, like, you could do an aerobics routine in the middle of it. So I think we got plenty of room. If you'd like to demonstrate that aerobics routine, I'm here for it.
What? I'm getting more out from shaking the building.
Yeah, I don't think we could have asked for it to line up any better with that. I can't believe that cross member is just right. It's right perfect with that. Especially with that height. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
It's like it was made for this. Yeah. I'm impressed with us. Hillbillies do stuff. Look at that. We built a wall. Guys, we built a wall.
Yeah, it's almost done.
It's videoing.
Alright, I never get the videotape view. Am I up to now?
Are your hands in the way?
I don't know, should it be this way?
Yeah.
I don't know, I don't videotape. No, I could be helping you.
That's how I feel all the time. I could be helping you,
Uh-huh.
but instead, I'm videoing. Oh God, this is... I still don't know if I can get over there.
You know, we don't actually know what's holding those tusks or anything on. Like,
Oh, This hat's not big enough.
It's not big
This
enough.
head's too big. See if I can stretch it.
You sure you don't help?
Yeah.
Your foot's kicking around.
I know. I got up here a little prematurely, I think.
There's a hook, the
Yeah,
ring.
There's a hook. I can't get to it.
And your one arm won't touch it. Just reach out and grab that
I
thing.
can grab it.
There you
but
go.
It doesn't help me.
Maybe it doesn't help you.
How am I supposed to make it over this hump? My shoes are all slippery. This isn't gonna work.
Do I? Isn't it work?
It's not gonna work.
I'd make it work. You can make it work.
I'm gonna fall.
There, get that leg over there.
No, it hurts.
What?
It's really sharp up here.
It's really sharp.
Yeah, the top of the ears.
Careful.
Alright. I made it onto the back. I've never actually been up here before.
Yeah, you have.
I don't think I have.
Yeah, we put a ladder, remember?
Oh yeah, with the ladder.
It used to be a ladder. Yeah, he's not that sturdy though, so.
I'm not gonna climb on him.
Alright, do I need to turn this off so you can use me as to put your foot on?
Well, I'm gonna have to get down on you, or you're gonna have to bring me a ladder. It's tiny little hat. I don't know what I was thinking. No.
Yeah, almost. Stretch it out. Yeah, you see, look at your head and look at its head. They're almost the same size. If it fits your head.
It said it was extra large.
But if it fits your head, I mean, you would have known it.
I
it
didn't
was...
try it on. Well, give me those lights. I'll put those up.
All right. Where are you putting these lights at?
On his skeletonness. Nope. I don't know. Planning. It's good to plan. I don't know where I'm putting them. I got no ideas.
Yeah.
I'll just put them on the chain down there. This was a bust. Why am I up here?
I don't know. Did you crawl up there before I was over here? All right. Now what?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hillbillies do stuff. Mike's going to go get the tractor to get me down.
Oh, I'll get you down. I'm not bringing the tractor for that. All right. You hold this.
Oh, I need to hold this?
All right. Scoot to the butt.
How about I shut this off?
Scoot into the butt.
Scoot to the butt. I'm shutting this off. Say it. Hillbillies do stuff.
Hillbillies do stuff.
Stop pulling me. Stop. You're going to break my camera.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're going to pull me. No, no.
Come on.
No,
Slide.
no. Stop pulling me.
Slide down.
I live up here now.
Slide down here.
No.
I'll get you down.
No, it's not. No.
Wait, no.
It goes whoomp off the side.
Not onto me.
Go get the tractor.
Oh, come here.
Go get
then.
me a ladder.
Come this way.
No.
Come
No.
on. Come on.
No. No.
Come on.
No.
Come on. You slide a little bit more and I'll have
No,
you.
you're not going to have me.
Where are you going to go? You can't go anywhere. Come on.
No, this is how we both die.
No, it is not. Come on. Come on.
No, I gotta put the camera away.